The 19th Amendment to the United States Constitution prohibits the United States and its states from denying the right to vote to citizens of the United States on the basis of sex, in effect recognizing the right of women to a vote. The amendment was passed by Congress on June 4, 1919, and ratified on August 18, 1920. There were many events and movements that led to the ratification of the 19th Amendment. The women's suffrage movement, which began in the mid-19th century, was a decades-long fight to win the right to vote for women in the United States. Suffragists used various tactics such as lecturing, writing, marching, lobbying, and practicing civil disobedience to achieve their goal too. As for judicial cases that display violations of the 19th Amendment, one example is Lesser v. Garnett, 1922. In this case, Oscar Lizer filed a lawsuit to stop two women from registering to vote in Baltimore, arguing that the 19th Amendment was not properly adopted because it had not been ratified by 3/4 of the states. The Supreme Court unanimously rejected Lizer's arguments and upheld the constitutionality of the 19th Amendment. The women's suffrage movement in the United States was a decades-long fight to win the right to vote for women. It took nearly 100 years for activists and reformers to win that right, and disagreements over strategy threatened to cripple the movement more than once. The 19th Amendment to the Constitution was finally ratified on August 18, 1920, enfranchising all American women and declaring for the first time that they deserve all the rights and responsibilities of citizenship. The movement began in 1848 with the Seneca Falls Convention and followed numerous state campaigns, court battles, and petitions to Congress. Wyoming was the first state to accord women the right to vote in 1890, and by 1918 women had acquired equal suffrage with men in 15 states. The movement challenged the legal principle of coverture and dominant gender roles that confined women to the domestic sphere.